What's up guys, this is English Grammar Explained, and this time I'm going to do this exercise 3 from Roundup Grammar 5, and that's all about type 2 conditional sentences, so that's unreal condition. Well, let's remind ourselves what does it mean, what is unreal condition, and what is type 2. So when I use a type 2 conditional sentence, I basically talk about events in the present. But these events are only in my head. They are imaginary. I only want this to happen, but it doesn't happen in reality. So I have my if clause, then I use past simple, and then of course I have comma, and then we have the main clause. And here I can use bunch of modal verbs, but mostly people use would plus present infinitive, and that's it. So here we have an example, but well, it's not easy to see. If I met my favorite film star, and then I would be so excited. So here I have I would be so excited. Of course, in reality, I am not seeing any film stars on the horizon, and I don't meet anybody, so I am not so excited. But if I met my favorite film star, well, I just imagine these things. Here I have my if clause, and this is past simple. So that's the if clause, that's basically the condition, and then the consequence of this condition. Okay, number 2, if I lost my pet. Here, again, I have this if clause, and then I have past simple. So here, I would be, again, all the same. I would be upset. Here is my modal verb, just like here. And this is my bare infinitive. Here and here. Number 3, if I wanted to lose weight, again, imaginary situation. In reality, I don't want to lose weight. I am not going to lose weight. But if I wanted, past simple, then I would go to the gym. And that's it. And here in main clause, I have this modal verb. And of course, present infinitive without to. Okay, number 4. If I saw someone cheating in the test, that's imaginary situation again. If, and then past simple. But it all refers to present. I would tell the teacher. Here again I have the modal verb and then present infinitive. What about number 5? If I was able to travel back in time. And here again I have this if, and then past simple. Was able, were able, that's all the same. And then, if I was able to travel back in time, pay attention. As you see, this situation is quite unreal, just like some science fiction. Travel back in time. I would meet my ancestors, or something like this. And the last sentence, if I found 20 euro outside the shop. So here I have if, then I have this past simple. And then if I found some 20 euro outside the shop, I would spend it. I would take it and spend it. Something like this. So here again I have these modals, and then infinitives. Here I have even 2 infinitives, here and here. And that's it, very easy. Of course we use past simple, but it's very important to realize to understand and remember that we mean present. We talk about present situation. Yes, that's imaginary. Yes, that's something like science fiction. But it's in the present. It refers to the present. Here I have part B. In pairs, compare your answers. What would you do if you met your favorite film star? So here I have to make questions. All my questions begin in the same way. What would you do? So what would you do? I just make question from this part. Here I have this would, because that's the main sentence. If you lost your pet. So basically we just change the places. We have this if in the middle of our sentence. And that's the question. What would you do if you wanted to lose weight? Again, I make question to the main sentence, to the main clause, not to the if clause. As you see, we have the same things here, the same modal verb, infinitive, and here I have the same past simple. Number 4. What would you do if you saw someone cheating in a test? The same thing here. Here is my modal verb, infinitive, and that's my past simple. And just the same here. What would you do if you were able to travel back in time? What would you do if you found 20 euros outside the shop? And that's it. That's all about type 2 conditionals. Feel free to subscribe, to like or dislike, to share or whatever. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.